Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Renee Barnett, and in today's video, I'm whipping up a delicious, strengthening, and deep conditioning hair mask. I will be trying out a henna gloss bar for the first time and adding some other goodies to this healthy, natural hair recipe. If you want to see how it turns out, keep watching. So before I get started with my recipe, I need to shampoo my hair to get rid of some of this product buildup. And I'm going to be using the TGIN Moisture Rich Shampoo. And by the way, guys, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you're notified whenever I create a new video. Now, back to this shampooing. So the TGIN is one of my favorite shampoos. It's sulfate-free, but still produces a great lather, and it contains ingredients, guys, that my hair loves, including amla oil and coconut oil. It's gentle on my hair, and my hair feels so nice and soft after I'm done shampooing. And I like this because some shampoos make my hair feel hard and too clean afterwards, and I am just not here for that. So since I've been on my natural hair journey, I've been washing my hair once a week as well as moisturizing every couple of days to keep down the tangles and the dryness. I have also been paying very close attention to my hair's growth as well as any breakage and shedding, and let me tell you guys, I think that my routine is working. So the consistency and the dedication is paying off. I definitely don't have as much breakage, and my shedding has improved tremendously. I've also been adding in Ayurvedic treatments such as this one to my routine that I believe has really helped with the shedding and the breakage problem. So guys, I also did a henna and indigo treatment on my hair not too long ago that I feel helped with my hair's strength and growth. But yeah, there's a video for that. So let's get into this hair recipe. So I got my henna gloss bar online from Henna Souk. It arrived perfectly packaged and unmelted, and I'm just mentioning that because I've heard that the bar could possibly melt during shipping if it was hot outside, but lucky for me, that was not the case, and it arrived in one piece. So in order to melt the bar, I'm using the double boiler method by placing a heat-resistant bowl into my pot and my heat on super low. So next, I'm placing my bar into my bowl, and I'm just going to be patient while it melts. And so like I mentioned before, this is my first time using a gloss bar, and I chose it because it has some amazing food for your hair included in it. It has cocoa butter, shea butter, henna, hibiscus, and a marshmallow root. The bag also states that you can add coconut milk and essential oils to spice up your recipe, so that's exactly what I'm going to be doing for my hair treatment today. I have definitely been much more adventurous with choosing different ingredients to put in my hair mixes, and to my surprise, it seems to be paying off. So guys, now that my bar is melted, I'm going to transfer it into another bowl, and I didn't notice the smell when I first opened the bag, but since I've melted the bar, it really does smell like what I would describe as like a bitter chocolate, so it's not a bad smell. Also, it doesn't seem like enough to cover my whole head, but maybe that's just me thinking heavy-handed. Plus, since I'm going to be adding additional ingredients, maybe that will bulk up my mixture. So now I'm adding in some rosemary for my essential oil, and rosemary stimulates and improves circulation to the scalp, which can lead to hair growth, and that's exactly what we want. So my next ingredient is going to be the Shea Moisture Superfruit Complex. So this mask is literally so hydrating, guys. I've been using it for about a month now, and I've been very pleased. So just a few more benefits of the Superfruit Complex. It helps to hydrate, protect your hair's color, and remember guys, I did do that henna treatment, so according to the package, this won't fade my hair color, or at least that's what I'm assuming. It also nourishes, softens, and gives your hair body, shine, and strength. And like I thought, adding in the Shea Moisture Superfruit Complex did add a little bit more bulk to my mix, and now it looks like I have enough to cover my hair. So I did wet my hair again so that my hair is damp, when I apply this product, but my hair does tend to dry pretty fast, so I have to act quickly. So I'm applying the product from roots to end, and of course I'm starting in the front where my gray hair lives and shacks up. And because there is henna in this product, I hope that it will color my gray hair that has decided to implant itself back in the front of my head since my last henna treatment. But honestly, there probably isn't enough henna in this product to actually color my hair. We'll just have to wait and see what the final results look like. So another thing that I've done is to trim my ends every 6 weeks. And when I first started the natural hair journey, like my hair was in extremely bad shape from heat damage, and it was very weak in certain spots, and this resulted in breakage. But now I am in a much better position and I'm so thankful. So guys, I do have a video where I show you how I trim my ends, and you can check that out by clicking the link above. So the instructions say to wrap your hair and let it sit for up to 4 hours. So I guess I will be chilling for the next 4 hours. So it is 4 hours later and I am rinsing my hair. So this mask was extremely buttery, guys. And instead of just rinsing my hair, I'm going back in with the shampoo to make sure that my hair is not weighed down or sticky. But all in all, I felt like this mask was very, very hydrating, easy to use if you like mixing your own hair products. And it did make my hair feel super soft, and it has a great shine. So guys, this is the final look, the final results after I styled my hair. I love it. It is soft. And look at the color. Like, I'm so glad that I did that henna treatment a month ago, and my hair just feels amazing. So guys, products that I use can be found in the description box below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.